Hey everyone, are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, no matter how much you make? Chances are, you're making money mistakes that are silently keeping you broke. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the 10 most common money mistakes people make, and most importantly, how to fix them so you can take control of your finances and start building wealth. Let's jump right in. 1. Not tracking your spending. Mistake number 1, not knowing where your money goes. If you don't track your income and expenses, it's impossible to budget effectively. Fix. Start tracking every dollar. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet. Once you see exactly where your money is going, you can cut unnecessary spending and redirect it towards savings and investments. Living beyond your means. Number 2, spending more than you earn. This is one of the fastest ways to stay broke. It's easy to fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation, buying new gadgets, cars, or clothes just because you got a raise. Fix. Live below your means. Focus on needs versus wants and prioritize saving and investing before spending. 3. Relying on credit cards. Mistake 3. Misusing credit cards. High-interest debt can spiral out of control, eating up your income and keeping you broke. Fix. Only use credit for emergencies or things you can pay off in full each month. If you have existing credit card debt, focus on paying it down using the snowball or avalanche method. 4. Not having an emergency fund. Number 4, no safety net. Life is unpredictable. Medical bills, car repairs, or job loss can hit anyone. Without an emergency fund, you're forced to rely on loans or credit cards. Fix. Save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. Think of it as financial armor against life's surprises. 5. Ignoring retirement savings. Mistake 5. Waiting too long to save for retirement. Time is your most powerful ally, and delaying savings can cost you thousands in lost compound interest. Fix. Start now, even if it's a small amount. Take advantage of employer 401k matches, IRAs, or other retirement accounts. Remember, early contributions grow exponentially over time. 6. Failing to budget. Number 6. No budget. Without a plan, money slips through your fingers, and you'll never reach your financial goals. Fix. Create a monthly budget. Allocate money for necessities, savings, investments, and even fun. Budgeting doesn't mean deprivation, it means control. 7. Impulse buying. Mistake 7. Buying on impulse. That must-have gadget or trendy outfit might bring temporary satisfaction, but it adds up fast. Fix. Use the 24-hour rule. Wait a day before making non-essential purchases. This prevents emotional spending and keeps your financial goals on track. 8. Not investing. Number 8. Keeping all your money in a savings account. While saving is important, inflation can slowly erode your wealth if your money isn't working for you. Fix. Start investing, even small amounts. Index funds, ETFs, and dividend-paying stocks are a great place to begin. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. 9. Ignoring financial education. Mistake 9. Not learning about money. Most schools don't teach personal finance, which leaves people making costly mistakes. Fix. Read books, watch videos, follow financial blogs, and educate yourself. Understanding how money works is key to building lasting wealth. 10. Comparing yourself to others. And finally, mistake 10. Comparing yourself to others. Social media and friends' lifestyles can make you feel like you're behind. But everyone's financial journey is different. Fix. Focus on your own progress. Set goals based on your income and lifestyle, not someone else's highlight reel. Consistency and patience beat comparison every time. Closing. So there you have it, the 10 money mistakes that keep people broke and how to fix them. To recap, track your spending, live below your means, manage credit wisely, save for emergencies, plan for retirement, budget, avoid impulse buys, invest, educate yourself, and focus on your own path. Start tackling even one of these today, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your financial situation improves. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more financial tips, and comment below which mistake you're fixing first.